This tutorial is on how to respond to student writing without going crazy. So how does writing and grading and responding to student work change in an online writing course? An online writing course changes everything. Therefore, responding to student work is different from grading. When you respond, you're responding to student posts, answering questions, and reteaching a concept. When you grade, you're evaluating their writing, you're giving quizzes, and you're calculating grades. Rule 1. Know thy students. Actively respond to all messages that students write, and always have the last word. Create an icebreaker and respond to all of their posts. Rule 2. Organize your email. Organize your email folders by class section, and then you can search by subject, last name, or keyword. Rule 3. How you respond and how timely you respond builds rapport with the students. If we want them to feel comfortable with writing, they need to know that we will respond. Warnock writes that online students can feel detached unless we capitalize on the textual conversational environment of the online class and give them perhaps an even sharper view of who we are. Therefore, we want our students to be engaged, so we have to respond to their writing. To respond to students' writing and grade their work faster, we need to start simple. So Warnock suggests that we can use macros on computers. We can also create a rubric using Rubistar, Rubric 1, Rubrics.com, and Waypoint. And these programs allow you to personalize your rubrics. You could also use bold, italic, and colored text to respond. You could also record your voice or create a podcast. You could also use audio-visual feedback by using programs such as Camtasia or iShowU. Now that I've discussed responding to student writing, let's discuss the change in grading for our online writing course. Scott Warnock encourages teachers to boost informal assignments by 30 to 40%. Most of the communication in an online class is going to be informal, so therefore it should be weighed heavier. These assignments can include message boards, peer review, and mini assignments. You could use a holistic approach, giving a grade based on quality, quantity, and the frequency of posting by students. You could also give points based on analytical reflection, evidence and support, response, writing, and format. Here are some ideas about quizzes and tests. You could begin your class or week with a reading quiz. This helps students structure their reading schedules. Quizzes can be an easy way to gauge your students' knowledge and if you need to reteach a concept. If you want to give a test, you could give a proctored exam. Quizzes and tests could be timed. A take-home test for an online class could mean giving the students a day or two to complete the test, and they could also work together in small groups. One last tip. Save yourself time and join a community for online teachers. Warnock describes RLOs as modules that teachers can use in their own class. You could also enhance these modules on your own. Thank you for watching.